Hello, this is Cherie for Just Nailed It, and we're here today with a Creative Nails collaboration. I welcome everyone that's here. If you are a no subscriber, I thank you so much. If this is your first time here, I invite you to hit the subscribe button, click on the notification bell, that way you get notified of all future videos and anything important that may come across my desk. So I have started with, I've done 3 nails. I think I just love, we're doing comic book nails if you haven't guessed. Pop art, I guess you might call them as well. To me, they just look so fake. Like, even when somebody's done their own nails, it doesn't look real to me. You know, it's the comic book effect of it. So, the polishes I have used are by Voxery. You can get these off Amazon. I did a review a while ago on my channel for these, so look up that video, look these up on Amazon. They are very affordable. Very affordable. So we have got our, if you want to call it, pastels going. I put 2 layers, cured them for 30 to 60 seconds each. Move my palette over. To do these nails, you are going to need the black striping to do the outline of the nail, and you're also going to need white as well. I've got hair on my brush. Shoot. So we are going to dive in with our Beetles black, what's it called? Liner brush. It is Beetles. Wipe off your brush. I hope I am in frame. You outline the edge of your nail. Brace your fingers so you can have a steady hand. And line your nail. Sometimes you may have to go back over it once or twice. I'm not liking that too well. Let me do the top. Not so steady when my hand's not braced. Let me get this corner though. There we go. I'm going to come back in over on the side. Line my nail again. So, gonna do that. I've never tried doing the white and the black at the same time without curing in between, but we're gonna try it here. Get your white dotting tool. Well, we got a hair on the dotting tool as well. Shoot. And add your dot at the end. I'll pop that in the lamp. Make sure these together. I'll wipe the neck of my stripe here off because that's where it seems to want to drip from. Sorry for being so quiet. You do a better job when you have controlled breathing. So if you've ever had a problem with, especially when you're lining something, painting something, you do a better job if you're doing your controlled breathing, which means not so much talking. Okay. And for the other side. Make sure your edges are covered. Okay. Lower up my brush again. And my diamond tool. Okay, I'm going to pop both of these puppies in the lamp. I'm going to give them a 30-second cure. Stop knocking things over. I'm going to pause and we'll be back. Alrighty, we are back. We are going to now top coat our nails. I'm going to use some I-Gel Beauty top coat. I think these just look, these three have been top coats. I'm just doing the last two, but I just love how these turn out. I really do. Oh, whoopsie, got hair all over the place. Beautiful. Here are our nails. We're going to pop them in the lamp. We're going to give them a full 60-second cure. Alright, here we go. Our nails are fully cured out of the lamp. So what do we think? They are comic book pop art nail art. It is trending in 2022/2023. So let me comment down below. Let me know what you think. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Click on the notification bell. That way you get notified of all future uploads and anything important that may come across my desk. Have yourselves a blessed day and thank you.